everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another video, and also a massive happy new year to you all. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope that 2023 brings you all everything that you want and deserve. So I am back. 2023 is going to be my year for doing a YouTube and getting to where I want to be within my channel. I know I've been out for such a long time, and I was hoping to come back just before Christmas. I uploaded one video and I didn't succeed in posting any more. So here we are, 2023, a new year, a new beginning, and I'm going to hit my goals within my YouTube channel. I've almost got 1,000 subscribers here, and I'm so incredibly grateful for every single one of you. So I'm definitely not going to let you guys down, and I also don't want to let myself down because I've worked really hard on my YouTube channel to get it where it is today, so I'm not going to leave it all just go. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and do a quick speed clean around the house. I'm going to do a few rooms. We're not going to do the whole house today, but I'm going to go ahead and start off in the kitchen and start with the dishes. I feel like in the kitchen, if you start with the dishes and do everything else after, it already feels a lot cleaner and better when you've done the dishes. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that and then move on to everything else. Quiet voices in the night. I've also just noticed in this clip as well that my camera is actually moving sideways, so I do apologize for that, guys. I honestly don't know why or how it's doing that, but luckily it's not done that in the rest of this video, so I'm really happy about that. But yeah, I am sorry, I don't know why it's done that. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Now on to the counters, moving everything off and giving them a wipe down. I also want to know if you guys have any suggestions as well. So I'm sure you guys can see the leads that were on top of my counter there on the side. Now, we've recently just bought a new under-the-counter freezer, and the socket that I have behind the freezer for it to actually plug in doesn't work anymore. So I've had to actually attach it to an extension lead, but the extension lead is now draped over my countertop, and I have no way of hiding the extension leads. And they're kind of just draped over the top, which is really annoying. They're taking up counter space and they just don't look nice or tidy. So do you guys have any suggestions of how I could make it look better, or what I could do with the leads? Like a way to tie them back or something, because they're really in my way and they're really frustrating. And of course they're in reach of my children as well, so I just don't want them to, like, you know, pull the extension lead. I have tied the lead up so it's not like a long lead anymore. But it's still sitting on my countertop, and I don't know, it just looks really messy, and it obviously just looks weird. It's just being out. So if any of you guys have any suggestions of what I could do to try and, I don't know, pin the leads, or I don't know, just so it's not actually sitting on my countertop, but I have to use an extension lead and I have to use the plug that is above my counter, because I have no other plug sockets for it to reach to. Sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? Wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
And there we have a nice, clean, fresh kitchen. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the hallway. The hallway wasn't that bad. It's normally a lot worse. But I thought I'd go ahead before I move on upstairs to the bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and just sort the hallway out because the kids are going back to school, not tomorrow, but the day after I filmed this video. They're going back on Tuesday, the 10th. So I wanted to just make sure that everything in the hallways was nice and clear, because by the time that they go back to school and they're back and forth in and out the door, their bags could just get dumped in the hallway. It's just going to end up building up. So if we just keep on top of that hallway, try and keep everything to a minimum, and yeah, that way it'll stay clean, hopefully, fingers crossed. But I'm back in work also tomorrow, so after the day that I'm filming this video, so we'll have to wait and see what brings from the hallway. But as you can see, it wasn't actually that bad. I'm going to go ahead and tackle this first and then move up to the bedroom.
My heart's desire, I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
And here, Kat and Nirvana realised that I was recording on the stairs and wanted to come in the video. So Kat decided to do his little swing on the stairs and go down. And then Nirvana also wanted to do the exact same thing. But she goes down on her bum, like a slide, just all the way down on her bum. But yeah, I thought I'd leave this little clip in because I thought it was quite funny and realistic as well, because I clean around those children, and that's why normally cleaning takes me a lot longer than the average person, because you know, if you don't have children, it's easy to clean, whereas if you have children, you've got to work around them asking for stuff, and yeah, it just takes a lot longer. Like this clean took me all day between making food and everything and looking after the children, so yeah, it was a lot longer, and I wish it was as quick as it was in this video.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
And finally, we're on to the bedroom, so I'm going to go ahead and start by organising my shoes. I've bought a lot more shoes recently and I'm running out of space to actually keep them, but I'm really happy with my shoe collection at the moment. There's a lot of variety there and I've got a lot of things that I can wear with different outfits, so I'm really happy, but it does get into quite a mess and my children love to pull my shoes off here, so they end up just getting piled up at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and organise that, and then we're going to go ahead and tidy up the whole rest of the room. And I've also got new bedding to put on today as well that I bought just before Christmas, and I've been waiting for the Christmas and all the decorations to kind of come down before I go ahead and, you know, put the bedding on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that in today's video, and I'm really happy with it. It does look quite creased in this video, but that's because it's fresh out of the packet. I'm hoping that once, you know, it's washed and it's been used a couple of times, the creases will actually come out of it. Fingers crossed.
I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too when the lights go out and there's.
So here we have the bed beforehand, and here's a quick little transition for you guys. And here is the bed afterwards with the new bedding on. As you can see, it's the pin tuck bedding. Now, I've heard a lot of good reviews about this, but I've also heard a lot of bad reviews. As you can see, it's also very creased in this video as well, but that's because it's come out of the packet and straight into the bed, because I really wanted to know what it looked like on the bed. I'm really happy with it, but like I said, I have heard quite a few bad reviews about it, and especially if you've got children, because apparently if you've got children and they're jumping on the bed, the pin tucks come loose. Or apparently that they don't last very long and the pin tucks come loose on them anyway. But I really like the look of the bedding, and I took the risk, even though my children love jumping on my bed, especially when it's been freshly made. So whether this bedding will last very long or not is a totally another thing, but I really like it and I'm happy with what it looks like on the bed. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated whether it actually lasts long or whether it lasts 5 minutes with my children, but we'll see.
Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. You're a guilt trip, feeding me with all these lies. I feel sick. You're a bad choice that I made 5 years ago at some party in New York. Are you texting me to tell me that I'm shit? Why are you still going on about things I never did? Maybe you can't see that I'm hard to hold. I know I'm a basket case you think should be alone, but I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, don't want you. I can barely sleep 'cause of you.
So we're coming to the end of the video now, guys. I would just like to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you that have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos. I appreciate every single one of you, and your comments, likes and views don't go amiss. Thank you all so much. I appreciate every single one of you so much, and thank you all so much for watching today. I will see you all in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed today's video as well. Bye guys.